Hi. Find the key later.
Whoa!
Did the chicken just attack me?
Oh, there's another egg. Did
Oh,
you just
thank
lay
you.
that?
It was laid just for me.
Should we chase them around a little bit more? Then maybe they'll lay more eggs.
I don't think it works like that.
Oh.
Maybe I'll just stay here. How many chicken eggs do I have now?
Is our storage full? Oh, we can fit 2 more. Okay, 2 more eggs then, please. You can do it.
Come on! 2 more eggs, 2 more eggs. Let's walk. Walk until the eggs pop out. That's not what I said. Where's the eggs?
He's getting ready to lay something for us.
I
called it.
How did you know?
If they sit down, then they're ready to go.
Wait!
Excuse me?
Is it because I just took your egg?
What
is that?
This isn't good.
Get away! Ah! Why are you getting so close? Wow!